guys, hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. This is Lola Chilla, and today we are taking a road trip down to Rapids Camp Sagana in Murang'a County. My friend Anna and I are going to Sagana for a purely camping experience, but in the meantime we decided to stop alongside the road to get some pineapple refreshments. This place, which is famous for whitewater rafting, enjoys a river frontage of about 450 meters and which is also the largest waterfall in terms of volume in Kenya. So currently we just arrived and we are setting up our tent for the day. On arrival, first of all, you have to check in at the reception desk where you are met with a supervisor who will take you around the grounds, especially when it is not fully booked, and you'll mark out the place you want to set up the tent. But also at the same time, you can carry your own tent, but they also do offer their own tent at a fee, which I don't want to quote here because maybe times have changed. It has been a while. And at the same time, they do have cottages available for hire. Now guys, this is just a glimpse of the waterfalls, and there is a much better view that we are going to see in some of the next shots, but this is exactly the view I am going to be waking up to, and it's exciting for me. Climb all these steps all the way up because apparently they usually have a DJ every evening, not necessarily every, but I think weekends, and so we want to check out the club before retiring for the night. So that's where we are from, as you can see. Whew, I'm out of breath. Breakfast which we had carried here, you can decide to get breakfast from the main restaurant or carry your own snacks. We decided to have a walk around the campsite. Now we had no plans of engaging in the various activities, one of them being whitewater rafting, there is zip lining and several others. So for us it was just about soaking in the serenity of the place, just basking away from the activities of the city. And here we are. This is the river that hosts the Sagana Rapids Camp. So when planning to come to the Sagana Rapids Camp, make sure you ascertain the activities that you want to engage in, because some of those activities will depend on the tides of the river. Like you can see here, we came here on a low season. During the peak season, that is usually when the rains have really poured, this river is quite high and can sustain activities like whitewater rafting. But this time round, there was no such activities because of the levels of the river. Now this is the river. We've decided to take like a morning walk just round the camp so that we can see exactly what's outside the camp. As you can see, those are the tents, and from here I think I can locate exactly where we are. That's our tent there, not visible enough, but that's our tent, and it's just awesome. Right at the moment as I'm standing here, it's drizzling heavily. I think it looks like it's about to rain, but I think it's just a morning drizzle that will pass. And on the side here, apparently there's a reservoir being built, so I don't think I'm allowed to record that, so I won't do that. But I'll show you the rest of the river and how it flows into each other all the way. Because from the end of the camp, we can see, from the end of the camp, we can see three waterfalls. Three waterfalls, but from where we are here, you can see we are only seeing one going down, and from the end of where we are standing, I don't think I can be able to show you all the three waterfalls. So this is one of the waterfalls that we can see from the other side of the camp, so stick around.